1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh man, let me tell you something. After a half an hour of not getting a single bite, within 13 minutes we had a total of 8 fish on. All 7 people on the boat had at least 1 fish. I mean, it was crazy. I hope this video conveys to you just how much excitement was happening on that boat. Go ahead and enjoy.
Come on, go guys!
I'm up above you.
We're leaving now.
Oh, sorry. Look. You got one too?
Yes, I got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, I got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. There's 5 on there.
On the rock.
Come on, baby, you better get in this game.
Hay 5, la nena, hay
5. 5 a libre.
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up?
Hey, guys, be careful with the lights. It's a 5 mahi light right
5, right? 5 mahi. Get it, baby.
Don't worry.
Don't rush it. Don't rush it.
Oh my God! You got it.
Don't worry. Relax. Enjoy.
Relax. Enjoy the day, baby. Enjoy the day. You got the camera on? Enjoy it. You better, since you lost your fish, you might as well film me, baby. Look at that. Look at this sucker taking it. Izquierda. You ain't catching me wrestling, are you, baby? Woo! Get back in there, baby.
She got it. She's not working.
It's in there? What happened to Jorge?
I released one.
Oh, you released
I
Jorge?
released 2 right now.
Oh, okay. It's me that's taking so long. Do I need some milk?
No more longer. You get it.
Yeah. Get it, baby.
You having girlfriend now? Huh?
No, he hasn't broke yet. Does that mean he's a big one?
I can be. No, but it's a good time.
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. This is action. Yeah, absolutely. 5 at one time? That can't happen often, huh? Woo, get it, baby. Get it. Woo, it's coming up. You know what we're gonna need, don't you?
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Welcome to Costa Rica! I'm making drinks here!
Woohoo!
High five, baby!
Woohoo!
Yeah! I release! You like a couple more?
Woo! I'm almost ready to go home.